Take control of your financial future to empower what's next. With the freestyle EAT system, you will put yourself incredible. After the Pokemon expansion pass was released, we finally got a look at some more new, amazing, and interesting Pokemon. The first one I got to discover was the one named Poltchageist. Poltchageist was one of the new related Pokemon who first appeared in the Teal Mask.
Because truthfully, if it wasn't all that,
I placed one in one of the paintings that I've done. I'll show you that one real soon. This is one of... Family is the most important, but sometimes a lack of energy can get in the way. There we are. Especially as you get older. But there's no better fuel for your body than whole fruits and vegetables. Balance of Nature's fruits and veggies provide the nutrition your body needs, helping you embrace life's moments with energy. There we are. Call 1-800-246-8751 or go to balanceofnature.com to get 45% off your first order as a preferred customer with free shipping and their money back guarantee. This may be a minute. Go to balanceofnature.com or call 1-800-246-8751 and get this special offer by using there we are. Fox News.
No, but I did. A couple of years ago, so I explained up everything. So I risked not doing work in order to...
There he is.
At New Day, we've been granted automatic authority by the VA to make our own loan approval decisions. In fact, if you've had credit challenges...
There we are. One last thing to draw up, and that's his spoon. He may not have arms, but his hands, they defy gravity.
This is the way I do things, okay? And I'm going to say it again. Everybody has choices, okay? All right? If you feel forced, I'm sorry you feel that way. That's not what...
And done. There he is. That is how you draw a Poltchageist.
All included, okay? Add up to some part.
Not bad for a few minutes.
You say that it doesn't. Okay? You say that's not part of it.
Anyway,
No, I'm not.
I better sign off for now. Starting to get real peckish.